I get asked on a regular basis and told quite often that I'm super talented at nail stamping, and I'm not trying to be vain. There's a reason I'm saying this. Or that everything that I do is perfect. So I wanted to show you a mani that under normal circumstances, I would probably not post. Not because there's inherently anything wrong with it. I just didn't love the final result. But I want to show you like why this would hit the trash bin or the nail fail folder on a normal basis. So what I did is I took LOL from Maniology and used that as the base. It's just a lovely little yellow, soft yellow color. If you can't get this particular one anymore, but Buttercup out of the July box is very, very, very similar in color. So you wouldn't be missing out if you got that one instead. This plate on its own, very lovely. I like the plate. It's not available anymore, I don't think, on the Maniology site. But if you have super long nails or super wide nails, these kinds of plates are actually really good for you because you can go in and pick out certain sections that you need from the bigger images and they'll be large enough to cover your nail. So these are definitely something to look for if you struggle with not being able to find plates that fit your nail size. Now what I'm doing here is just a little basic simple design that's kind of like a floral braided, almost tribal Celtic looking design on the first nail. That's just like a flower that kind of matches it all. So I'm kind of just going from smallest to largest pattern, I guess, to put it over that. And you can see here, like, I don't need, my nails aren't as big as that section of her dress, so I only covered what I need and I still have extra room on my nail. And so again, those are great for that. Now why I would not normally post this, I don't think it's a bad mani. It's okay, but here's the thing, it doesn't translate well on film. Mostly because that blue just didn't have enough punch to it. It's from the Grim Nightfall collection. And I had a feeling it might be that way. So this is one I would say definitely stamp it over lighter colors, you know, like very light creams, off whites, maybe like over coconut, beaches and cream from Sinful Colors. Those would all be good bases for this, or just white. But I think anything over that's really just going to be too dark, and it just kind of dulls down the color. It's not quite as pretty as it is in the bottle. So, you know, normally I would pop that in a nail fail file. I don't think it's a bad mani per se. I just think it could be a lot better with a couple simple tweaks. And unfortunately, one of those tweaks would be using a different stamping polish. So I'll post the Grim Nightfall collection up here for you to go watch and see the swatches on that. Let me know what you think and how you think this design is. Would you call this a nail fail? Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.